Hello and welcome to another episode of To The Point. The topic of discussion is Myanmar earthquake. Why in news? Myanmar is one of Southeast Asia's most seismically active regions. The devastating earthquakes of 28th March 2025 with magnitudes of 7.7 and 6.4 have once again brought attention to the region's vulnerability to earthquakes. The primary geological factor behind this susceptibility is the sagging fault, a major transform fault system that plays a central role in Myanmar's tectonic dynamics. About tectonic background of Myanmar. Myanmar lies at the complex convergence zone of three major tectonic plates: the Indian plate, the Eurasian plate, and the Sunda plate. The Indian plate is moving northeastward and colliding with the Eurasian plate while simultaneously sliding past the Sunda plate. This results in intense seismic activity across the region. What is the sagging fault? The sagging fault is a major right lateral strike-slip fault, meaning two blocks of the Earth's crust slide horizontally past each other. It runs for approximately 1,200 km through central Myanmar from north to south. It forms a transform boundary between the Indian and Sunda plates. The Indian plate moves at a rate of 11 to 18 mm per year relative to the Sunda plate, generating continuous stress along the fault. Over time, stress builds up until it is suddenly released as seismic energy, causing earthquakes. The sagging fault has caused several damaging earthquakes in the past, making it one of the most dangerous seismic zones in Asia. What causes earthquakes? Tectonic plate movement. Earth's lithosphere is divided into tectonic plates that float over the semi-fluid atmosphere. Faults and friction. Earthquakes occur when accumulated stress overcomes friction along a fault line, releasing energy as seismic waves. Epicenter and magnitude. The point on the surface directly above the quake's origin is called the epicenter. Magnitude measures energy released, while intensity indicates surface impact. Conclusion. Myanmar's position along the sagging fault and its proximity to active plate boundaries make it highly prone to earthquakes. Improved early warning systems, stricter building codes, and regional cooperation in disaster response mechanisms are vital to reduce future losses. Understanding the geology behind such events can aid policymakers and planners in better disaster preparedness and risk reduction strategies. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements about sagging fault. It forms a transform boundary between the Indian and Sunda plates. Myanmar's position along the sagging fault and its proximity to active plate boundaries make it highly prone to earthquakes. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor two. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.